almost 4 in the morning. Me with my Nerf Delta Trooper and 3 magazines, one inside the Delta Trooper, 12 round, and then 2 18-round magazines, have set up a DIY Tachanka mounted LMG. Now, here's a time lapse of me setting it up. Now for the base, it's just normal music stand, Manhasset brand, I guess. I guess any music stand could really work for this, but whatever. And also, quick side note, how it's on here is that I took this Delta Trooper barrel attachment, and it comes, well, like normal barrels, it comes off like off the side. You just tilt this and then take it off. You just put that on, put one end, like the blaster end here, and then the barrel end here, and then just put it on there, and then you know the rest. The scope on it is obviously just for decoration, you could say. Maybe like accuracy, saying if you want like those accurate shots, you just aim right there, and then just you know. Reloads are also super fast and easy, just like normal. Although if you want to go for realism, I would suggest using a drum mag instead of a normal mag or a banana mag. So yeah. Oh, and another thing to add for realism points is that if you want to go even more realistic, I would suggest, if you own one, removing the scope and putting on a modular shield, because in game, it protects your head from the front view from being shot. So that's a plus for realism, I guess. Tachanka's normal mounted LMG in game, which only has 180-degree movement. This has full 360-degree movement, so that's a plus, I guess. So you can just shoot anyone from any angle you want. So just reload, press this button right here, slides the mag out, grab a new mag, and then just shove it in there, and there you go. Just gonna do a quick firing demo now. Just it's already loaded, never mind. And just aim at the sight and fire. Yeah, it doesn't have it's not automatic, does not have rapid fire like the Tachanka's mounted LMG in game.